Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and today you will find out how to install Ubuntu in Windows machine. So first you have to go a Windows marketplace and some kind of UI you will find out here, and in search box you have to search Ubuntu. So select latest version of Ubuntu, that is 20, and here you will find option to install Ubuntu in your Windows machine. So since I have already installed Ubuntu in my machine, so I don't need to install it again. But here you can see that there is a option get, and from here you can install Ubuntu in your Windows machine. And I have already installed, so this option appearing in my Windows marketplace. So yeah, this is how you can install Ubuntu in your Windows machine, and just take a look how Ubuntu interface looks like. So this is my Ubuntu interface, and you will find it interesting to work with Ubuntu. So this is how you can install Ubuntu in your Windows machine, and keep watching and you will find much more information about Linux, how to work with Linux machine.